Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. So kids, first we are using the color of black. Now we are using black color pen and draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B, and the next one is C. The next one is D. Now we draw the alphabet of D. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is E. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we draw H. And the next one is I. Now we draw J. The next one is K. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we draw P. And the next one is Q. R. The next one is S. Now we draw T. U. And the next one is V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.